Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how to make 10x in just a short period of time by using a simple trading trick. To do this, I would have to go over to this section right here and select the Bybit Launchpad. You click on this. In this section, you can easily get into new projects before they get listed on any exchange. I am going to show you how to buy at a very low price and sell at a greater price in a short period of time. But before we get started, you need to create a Bybit account. I am going to leave my link in the description of this video. As a new user, you are eligible for various rewards. Currently, you can see that there is an upcoming project right now about to get listed on the Bybit exchange. I am going to show you how to get into this project, and later in this video, I have a surprise for you. You can see right here that there are projects that have been listed on the Bybit Launchpad, and these projects have performed exceptionally well during the time of listing. The current project is OKSE, and this project is going to be live on the Bybit Launchpad. You can click on this. This right here is the basic information about this project. To get started, you can use the BIT token by owning just 50 bits, or you can participate in the lottery section by committing 100 USDT into this project. So these are the two ways to get into this newly listed coin. I am going to walk you through the different timelines that are involved in this Bybit Launchpad. If I scroll down, you would see that there are up to 4 timelines in the Bybit Launchpad. The first right here is the snapshot period. Before you can participate in the Bybit Launchpad, make sure that you have done level 1 verification. If not, you won't be able to participate in this event. You can see right here that you can either commit your BIT token or USDT. The minimum of BIT token is about 50 bits, and for USDT is about 100. You can only use one of these options to get into this newly listed project. The way the snapshot works is that your BIT balance or USDT balance is going to be calculated whether it is in your spot account, your derivatives account, funding account, or your earn account. So as long as you have USDT or BIT token in your account over a period of time, about 5 days, then you would be eligible for this event. And the reason why there is a snapshot is because Bybit needs to calculate the amount of BIT token or USDT that you can commit into this event. So the more BIT token you have presently in your wallet, the more your limit size increases. That means you can stake more tokens and get a larger number of newly listed coins. This period is from the 31st of August all the way to the 4th of September. The next section right here is the subscription period. In this period, this is where you are going to commit a certain number of BIT tokens or USDT to get these newly listed coins. You can see right here, it would be locked and cannot be accessed for transfers, withdrawals, or trading until after the final distribution of the OKSE token. So this is what you need to know. When you subscribe a particular amount, your tokens are going to be locked over a period of time and you will not be able to access this token. So this right here is the subscription period, and you can see that it is from 3:30 UTC all the way to 10:59 UTC. This is when you are going to subscribe and lock your tokens on the Bybit Launchpad. The next timeline is going to be the distribution period. In this section, Bybit is going to calculate the amount of tokens they are going to reward you, and the way Bybit calculates your final allocation is by dividing the amount you've committed by the total amount of token committed by all participants. And this would be multiplied by the total amount of OKSE allocated to this launchpad. If I scroll up, you can see right here that for the subscription in bits, the total allocation is going to be 3.8 million OKSE. And for each user, the maximum allocation is going to be about 6,250 OKSE. No user is going to have above this specified amount, alright? And based on the amount you committed in this pool, your total allocation is going to be derived by using that simple formula. And you are going to be buying OKSE at a price of 0.06 USDT. So this right here is when you subscribe in BIT tokens. But when you choose to join using USDT in the lottery section, you can see right here that the total allocation is about 1.6 million OKSE at a price of 0.06 USDT, and the maximum amount of token that a user can get in this lottery option is about 150 OKSE. So you can see right here that if you choose to subscribe using the BIT tokens, you're going to get more of this newly listed coin than when you use this lottery section. For me, when I choose to subscribe in this ByBit Launchpad, I always use the BIT token, and you can easily buy this on the ByBit exchange. If I scroll down, you can click on this button and buy the BIT token. You can see right here that the BIT DAO is currently trading at a price of 0.5693. 50 of these is roughly 29 USDT. So you can get into this newly listed project with a small amount and sell at a greater price in a short period of time. And I am going to show you exactly how to do it. Now let's go back to the ByBit Launchpad. You can see right here that the distribution period is going to take place on the 5th of September at around 11 UTC all the way to 11:59 UTC. So this right here is the distribution period, and after that is the launch period. This is when the OKSE token is going to be listed on the ByBit exchange, and you can now trade this token. At exactly this time right here, the 5th of September at around 12 UTC, this is exactly when you are going to use the trading trick I am about to show you. Right now, if I go back to the previous ByBit Launchpad projects, you can see right here that these are previous projects, and if I should click on one of these projects right here, I am going to show you exactly the price action when this was newly listed on the ByBit Launchpad. Now let's go back in price to the day of listing. You can see right here that at this price of around 0.04 was the pre-sale price of the Caster token. So if you had participated in the ByBit Launchpad, you would have gotten at around this level of 0.04 USDT. And you can see that in a short period of time, this coin went to 2 USDT. This usually happens in the first 5 to 10 seconds when this project gets listed on the ByBit exchange. And this is going to happen during the launch period. You have to be ready to sell at market price. So make sure you select market price when you want to sell your newly listed token on the ByBit exchange, and you click on the sell section. So this is basically how to buy at this very low price and sell at a much greater price in a short period of time. This right here is what is called a sniper strategy when trading. Basically, the reason why this happens is because during the time of listing, there is going to be a massive buy pressure on this newly listed coin. For example, the OKSE token is going to be listed on the ByBit exchange, and a lot of users would like to buy this coin at the exact time of listing. But if you have already subscribed using the ByBit Launchpad, you are going to be selling when others are buying. So you are basically doing the opposite in order to maximize your profits. This is a simple trading trick, and you can do this easily by participating in the Launchpad. And like I said, I have a surprise for you. If you sign up using my link in the description of this video and you choose to participate in this Launchpad project, I have partnered with Bybit in order to give you 500 USDT worth of airdrop on the OKSE token. So when you use my link in the description of this video and you participate in the Bybit Launchpad, you are going to get a share of this OKSE token for free. You can either subscribe using BIT token or USDT. If you have any further questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.